It's always going to be HD for me. I'm going to take you guys through the process of how I style this curly bob unit from LuvMe hair. And I'm going to show you guys how I fix over bleached knots really fast and easy. So keep on watching. What's up, guys? Back with another hair tutorial. Today we have a 5x5 HG undetectable lace closure wig from LuvMe hair. I'm loving this unit. It's great for beginners because there's not much you have to do with styling. You don't need to be a pro for this one. And it's HD lace. You can't go wrong with HD lace. I absolutely love HD lace. If you're gonna splurge on something, I feel like HD is always the thing to splurge on because it just really melts into your scalp, even in person. I did pluck this unit, so it doesn't come exactly this way, but it actually did not take me very long to pluck at all. And then I also tinted the lace using my tint from Nika P. Slay. I have my tint in the color caramel, and I like to use it on my head to make sure I match it up perfectly. Y'all see how well this blends into my skin? This is perfect. Like, wow, I'm shocked. I'm amazed. I have not glued anything down at all. This is just sitting on my head with no real customization. I am so shook. This is obviously something you can wear glueless because look how it's blending, and all I did was cut off the lace. I am using the elastic band, so that does help. But you see that? Wow, I'm amazed. So I did choose to lay mine down using my Ebin spray because I always lay mine down. I'm not a huge glueless kind of girl. So I'm just using my Ebin lace tint to go ahead and lay this down. Plus, it could just be me, but I feel like when I use a little bit of lace spray, specifically spray, I feel like it helps the meltdown action a lot. But maybe, I don't know, I have to try it one day without using the spray and seeing if I just use mousse and an elastic band, would that be different? But I definitely feel like the spray be making a difference in your lace really melting down. After I go ahead and put the elastic band on, I'm gonna go ahead and style the unit. Like I said in the intro, this unit does not take much to style at all. This was very quick and easy to do, very beginner friendly. As you can see here, I'm just using a little bit of my wax stick, and that's just to go ahead and set the hair in place and lay it down a little bit. I'm going very light on the hot comb, and I'm not trying to go too far past the roots of the wig because I don't want to mess up these curls because they're already basically in formation. I'm gonna have to zhuzh them back up, but you'll see that in a second. But they're really just already in formation. It came out the box kind of already pre-done a little bit, and I appreciate that. I've noticed that with LuvMe hair, that when they've been sending me wigs, it's already halfway done, so that makes it a lot less work for me. Now let's get to this part. As you can see, the part is a little bit over bleached. I did bleach the knots off camera as well as pluck it, as I mentioned. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix this back up. I'm starting by just covering up my part and covering up that line of demarcation of where you can see where my cap ends and it's kind of my hair underneath. You can use some pressed powder and it'll create what's the word I'm looking for? It'll create a uniform line, so it just looks like straight scalp. I'm gonna use my Kiss Quick Cover, and I'm gonna put that in the roots of the hair, and that's just gonna clean it up and make it look like it's just a skinnier, more narrow kind of line. How narrow you want your part is up to personal preference. What you'll see in this video is just my personal preference. You can do it however. Styling this hair, you guys, is super simple and super easy. That's why I'm big on saying this one is definitely beginner friendly. I took a little bit of Cantu conditioner and I just put that through the curls to give them some nice, moisture and everything. And then I followed up using my Design Essentials styling mousse, and I put that throughout the hair to give the curls some definition and some hold, but I still wanted to keep it nice and lightweight, so I didn't use any gel. And this was the final result. This came out so amazing. This looks like it's coming out my scalp. It looks like it's my hair. I'm here for the HD. I'm here for the 14-inch length. It just looks so natural. This is a great natural hair dupe. Perfect for the summertime, not too hot. I'm wearing it right now, you guys. This wig is the truth. Shout out to LuvMe Hair for sending this to me. If you're interested, all the details you already know will be down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. If you don't